hopefully, you know what? I'll be honest with you. Hopefully it fucking ends like that. You know, that you're dreaming and you fucking crook. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Sabatru?
What's happening?
You thinking and inject this thing?
No, I brought it on my boat. Use it as a boat anchor. That's too fucking funny.
As the water leaves the back of the compressor, not a little bit of water, a lot of water.
And that's just cranking it there. If you pop that thing out, it's fucking barrel out.
Steve.
Oh, yeah.
Almost looks like, I won't say.